While world debates electric vehicles, China already running experiments at scale. Buses floating above traffic, trucks refueling in minutes, mining monsters driving themselves, 14 vehicles changing transportation forever. This isn't future, this is now. Transit elevated bus, the cautionary tale. You're sitting in gridlock, cars packed bumper to bumper. Then massive structure glides right over your car. Transit elevated bus straddles 2 entire traffic lanes while cars drive underneath. Cabin sits on legs 7 feet above road, 26 feet wide, spanning both lanes completely. Guide rails embedded in pavement keep it centered. Electric motors push forward silently. Inside, 1,200 passengers riding in floating cabin. Cities don't need dig subway tunnels, don't need build elevated tracks, just paint guide rails on existing roads. Suddenly got mass transit floating above congestion. But here's reality: stalled project. Legal issues reported. Fundraising detention. Not all futuristic transit survives engineering plus financing. Lesson learned: innovation needs more than vision, needs execution. CRRC ART Trackless Tram. Tram gliding down normal road. No rails. Autonomous rail rapid transit. Rubber tires plus sensor guidance following painted virtual tracks. Train like multi-module capacity. Over 300 passengers. Length approximately 30 meters. Turning radius about 15 meters. Max speed claims impressive. Metro-like capacity without metro construction timelines. No tearing up streets. No years of disruption. Paint virtual tracks. Install vehicles. Operational in weeks. Train capacity. Bus flexibility. Fraction of cost. BYDK 12A Megabus. Single bus looking like mechanical snake. Bi-articulated design. 27 meters length. Up to 250 passengers. Electric drivetrain. Manufacturer range claims strong. One vehicle replacing multiple standard buses in peak corridors. Watching it navigate city streets mesmerizing. Bends at 2 articulation points. Corners like nothing. All electric, all silent, all day. Yutong U12DD double-decker electric. Double-decker, quietly electric. Designed for long-duty cycles. 621 kW battery. Up to 670 kilometers range. Up to 350 kW charging. Up to 120 passengers. Big pack battery plus high-power charging. Double-deckers matter in dense routes. Maximize capacity without adding vehicles. This isn't compromise. This is optimization. Charge fast. Run long. Carry many. Waride Shenzhen Robobus no driver. Bus route in dense downtown traffic. No driver. Level 4 autonomous. Defined operational domain. Sensor stack. Booking dispatch. B888 line. Shenzhen CBD. Public operation, not test track. Real streets, real passengers, real traffic. Book via app. Bus arrives. Doors open. Step inside. Empty driver seat. Just you and autonomous system. Future of public transit operating right now. Cattle Kiji battery swap 5-minute refuel. Heavy truck refuels like pit stop. Battery swap instead of charging. Chassis mounted standardized swappable packs. Swap station. Separation of vehicle and battery. 513 kW packs. Swap approximately 5 minutes. Port deployment proving practicality. World's first in-port chassis swap station. Truck pulls in. Depleted battery drops. Fresh battery installs. Truck leaves. Charging eliminated. Downtime eliminated. Operational efficiency maximized. Semi-intelligent swap station. Truck docks. QR scan. Robotic swap without driver leaving cab. Swap station systems. Positioning. Control. Charging. Safety. Swap under 5 minutes. Station footprint compact. Automation complete. Driver scans code. Automated arms remove depleted battery. Install charged battery. Confirm completion. Total time, less than coffee break. No waiting hours for charge. Just swap and go. Deepway Sing2 robot truck. Long-haul truck designed like rolling aerodynamic device. Baidu-backed. Highway intelligence system. Large compute. Sensor suite. Over 500 TOPS compute. Drag coefficient approximately 0.35 simulation. 450 kW pack. Up to roughly 300 kilometers at 49-ton load claimed. Design choices cutting drag. Efficiency maximized. Range extended. This isn't normal truck. This is computational platform on wheels. Inceptio L3 autonomous trucking. Highway freight where driver becomes supervisor. Level 3. System drives under conditions. Human responsibility still exists. Commercial service since late 2021. Cumulative mileage significant. 40 million kilometers accident-free. OHM partnerships established. Highway autonomy. Driver monitors. System executes. Not replacement. Evolution. Verizon methanol hydrogen. What if fuel is liquid but powertrain is hydrogen? Methanol used as pathway. Range extenders. Reforming for hydrogen fuel cells. About logistics practicality. Storage. Refueling. Supply chains. Methanol infrastructure already exists. Hydrogen benefits delivered. Green methanol context. Geely commercial vehicles pressing forward. Fa Jiefeng liquid hydrogen truck. Long-haul trucking with water vapor exhaust. Twist. Liquid hydrogen. Cryogenic complexity versus energy density. Reported over 1,000 kilometer demo range. 620 miles on single fill. Refuel 15 minutes. 700 bar compressed hydrogen tanks. 10,000 pounds per square inch. Fuel cell stack generates 350 kW continuously. Works in sub-zero temperatures. Minus 30 degrees Celsius. Cold start system. Thermal management. Ultra capacitors for burst power. Silent acceleration. Zero emissions. Diesel equivalent range and power. XCMG autonomous mining fleets. Mine looking like robot factory. Trucks moving without people. Why mining perfect for autonomy? Controlled routes. High utilization. Predictable cycles. Autonomous fleets. Battery electric mining. Cold weather operations. Ultra-class haul trucks. ZNK 95. 95 tons per load. 190,000 pounds. Operating 24/7. 5G connectivity linking entire fleet. Every truck knows where every other truck is. Coordinate routes. Avoid each other. Optimize traffic flow like hive mind. Predictive maintenance. Self-scheduling repairs. Never stops. XCMG. XDE 440 ton monster. 440 tons. Single load. 880,000 pounds. Equivalent of 300 cars in one trip. Ultra-class mining hauler. Wheels 12 feet tall. Dump bed fits entire house. Diesel-electric hybrid. But different. Diesel engine doesn't drive wheels directly, generates electricity. Electricity powers individual electric motors at each wheel. Why matters? Control. Each wheel gets exactly power needed based on terrain. Load distribution. Traction. Dynamic suspension constantly reads load. Adjusts in real time. Autonomous capability built in. Operates without drivers in open pit mines. One truck does work of 3 conventional 150-ton haulers. BYD 12A 89-foot electric snake. Longest electric bus in production anywhere on Earth. 89 feet long. 3 articulated sections. Bending at 2 pivot points. Carrying 250 passengers. Completely silently. Longer than 2 city buses parked end to end. Watching it navigate city corners mesmerizing. Front section turns. Middle section follows. Rear section tracks perfectly behind. Like mechanical snakes sliding through traffic. 6 electric motors distributed across all 3 sections. Each section gets independent power delivery. 680 kW battery capacity. 9 Tesla Model 3s worth of batteries in one bus. 320 miles range fully loaded with 250 people in real urban service. Regenerative braking captures energy at every wheel. Every time bus slows down, electricity flows back into batteries. Independent suspension for each section. 250 people riding in comfort. Each section has own climate control. System optimizes energy automatically. Silent operation. Glides through residential neighborhoods 6 a.m. without waking anyone. 250 people moving with zero noise pollution. One vehicle replacing over 150 daily car trips. Transportation doesn't change because one vehicle futuristic. Changes because infrastructure and operations make it inevitable. 3 repeating blocks. High-capacity urban electric transit. ART. Megabuses. Double-deckers. Freight uptime infrastructure. Battery swap corridors. Ports. Autonomy where works first. Geo-fenced city lines. Supervised highway. Mines. China isn't betting on one miracle tech. Building ecosystem. Buses. Freight. Mines. Infrastructure underneath all of it. Systems-level transformation. Buses. Freight. Mines. China scaling future in parallel. Which of 14 is real game changer? Trackless tram? 5-minute truck swaps? Autonomous mines? 440-ton electric monster? Comment below. Want to know what you think. If this changed how you see transportation future, smash that like button. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.